to our channel. Today we're checking out this dark spot correcting glow serum. It's a very high tech product these days, and if you're dealing with dark spots or just want your skin to look very extra glowy, so it's kind of a serum and moisturizer I would consider. So the name of the product is this dark spot correcting glow serum. It has activated niacinamide. So niacinamide is actually a very known known ingredient to help correct the dark spot, also to brighten the skin, and also to minimize the pores. So this product contains the plant derived squalene, and which helps to lock in the moisture and for the glowing skin all day. So this is something right in the beginning of this video I'm going to tell you that this is 1000% correct. So it really helps your skin to glow. So right after I apply this, my skin looks so bougie. It looks so glowing, as if like I've done some hydrofacial thingy or something like that. But whatever it is, it really is, it does live up to this claim. Okay, anyways, so the percentage of niacinamide is 5%, which is an ideal. Oops. Okay, I think I dropped it. But anyways, coming back, I was speaking of the niacinamide. So the percentage of niacinamide is 5%, which is definitely exact right percentage if you don't want any irritation from niacinamide, because it does tend to irritate the skin. I have used 5% and also 10% of the ordinary for a long period of time, and I can say that it really does wonder to your skin. So it contains squalene and also this fruit extract. So whatever it is, but it is a derivative of a licorice extract, which really helps it brightening the skin. So when we talk about the packaging, so let me just give you a walkthrough of the features. So again, it's a B3. It contains niacinamide, which is also known as B3. This serums clear common pigmentation concerns, including dark spots and uneven skin tone. And this lightweight serum is packed with powerful botanical extracts such as this extract with rice bran and papaya to better correct your marks for clear, radiant skins. And this is topped with it's a B3. It contains niacinamide, which is also known as B3. This serums clear common squalene to keep your skin glowing throughout the day. So how to use? So this is a very easy product in terms of using, because it really comes in a very good kind of layering texture. So you just need to apply a small amount onto your face and neck. I also, a pro tip, I also extend this product under my under eyes, because I tend to get dark circles because I'm a night owl and I have to work till late night. So yeah. Anyways, so it also for optimum use in the AM and PM, and for PM application you can also be used as a sleeping mask. That's a wonderful tip. So what happened is, in my daytime I use it mostly, because in my nighttime I do have my whole routine in which I have to apply my retinols and also my glycolic and other exfoliating acids. So this is a perfect serum for my daytime, but I do actually layer it up with my another serum. Let me just show you that real quick. I layer it up with this azulene soothing peptide ampule, because why do I apply it with my peptides? Because peptides has great anti-aging benefits, even similar to retinol, but they are much more less irritating. And so this is also a product which I layer it up with this. So this is basically my pretty much daytime routine. I layer first this serum and then followed by this one. I'll also apply my eye cream and then my sunscreen, and then I'm good to go. So now talking about the packaging, I think its packaging is pretty cool. It says everything. It's sealed because I had to try it out before I can give the review of this product. So I have actually kind of taken this product out from the wrong position. But anyways, okay, check out the cool packaging. I really love it. It's a very smart packaging. It helps, it has a cap which can definitely ensure that product doesn't know. So it has got a dropper. So what happens is you can easily apply, control the amount you're going to put. And this kind of packaging really is a smart packaging. I would say that it really helps to ensure that you don't waste the product. So it comes, texture is concerned and the application is concerned, it's really lightweight. It helps to absorb into the skin. It actually gets absorbed into the skin within few minutes, and it gives you a shine. And as you can compare, it really gives a shine to the skin, just like my hands are just being like glowing right now, it does give that kind of shine to the face as well, and it's long lasting. Right after you wash your face, just put few drops of this product onto your face like a serum in the first step. If you want to use like a first essence and then another toner and essence, like whatever you like, but in my daytime what I do is I simply wash my face, then I apply my toner, and then I quickly get this product onto my face. But sometimes I also layer it up with my peptides, but it's another layering process, and I'll definitely make a new video about explaining the whole layering process of different products. But for now, you can just apply a few drops of this product onto your face and neck. I also extend it to my under eyes, and it gets absorbed, so you can now then follow it with your favorite moisturizer or sunscreen or night cream if you're applying it in the PM. So you will probably start to see results in few weeks, so you really have to be patient with this product. I would not say that this will give you instant result. The glow is instant, okay, the glow for sure is instant, but the results for darkening the spots really would take time, but it is guaranteed for sure. I can vouch for that completely, because I've been using this product from a long period of time and I love it. I love how it works on my skin, I love the glow, and I love niacinamide in my routine. So who should use this serum? Again, just I mentioned that anyone dealing with dark spots, or if you want to brighten your complexion. So my area of concern was like I had some age spots, or you can call it some sunspots on my middle cheek area, and I could really see them fading with time. It was not like very instant, but it did took its sweet time, but it does had the brightening and lightening effect. So okay, I think I've pretty much covered everything about this product. I wanted to keep this video very short and sweet, and also totally candid. So thank you so much for watching the video today. And if you want to try this product, or if you had tried this product, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. And yeah, let me know what you think about this product in the comments. And thank you for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep glowing. Bye.